Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change the SIM card name in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. First of all, you got to go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to SIM card and mobile network. Here you can see two SIM cards inserted, and by default they have been named as SIM 1 and SIM 2. If you would like to change the name for SIM 1 and SIM 2, yes, you can do it. Just click on SIM 1 and click on SIM name here, and you can edit name. Okay, so here just I delete available text, that is SIM 1, and type my own name. Here I typing as Mingy. So SIM 1 is named as Mingy, and go back and similarly click on SIM 2. Click over SIM 2 and click on SIM name here, and delete the available text and write your own text. Here just I type Mickey. Click OK. Then yes, SIM card's name have been changed now. So in this way you can easily change SIM card name in your phone. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.